What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! Probably make this one pretty quick today. This is a I am very. I don't know how to even put this for this video. If you're don't have an open mind for this stuff, for this video that you're about to watch, and you start, and first of all, if you start to get offended, turn it off, okay, and walk away, because this isn't for everybody. This right here is for a true tool addict. This video is for a true tool addict or somebody who appreciates quality. And I'll tell you right now, this is quality, what I'm about to show you. So this is a company that's called Metmo. Now, I turned down quite a few things from these guys before I finally decided to take something. They sent this over to me. And I said, okay, I'll take a look at it. And these are a very, very well-made, overly built tool. And you may not like it, but I will tell you this much. This is craftsmanship. This is quality. This is pride. This is engineering. This is somebody who takes their tool and die making skills to the next level. So without ado, let's get into looking at this and talk about what Metmo is. Metmo actually stands for Metal in Motion, which right away, that's genius to me. I love it, the name. And these are precision-made tools right here. They are made out of the UK, not China, not Taiwan, not USA, the UK. They send you a very personal letter here giving over this, the vision, care and love, all this. That's why I said the people love to hate these days, and it's really kind of sad. Your knee-jerk reaction is to hate and be negative and not appreciate somebody. But there's somebody out there who has worked really hard on this stuff. And it is not a bad tool by any means. And it's absolutely, I would actually consider this to be a very pleasurable tool to use. I've used this a couple times. Is it a tool I'm going to use? This is a good, if I was a DIYer, I would put this in a kit in my house. And this tool would be there because I guarantee you this tool will come in handy. We've got some instructions on this tool here. Now, this is a screwdriver. And let's kind of look at this because this is going to take, you're going to have some really good eyes on this because this is not your average ratcheting screwdriver. This is a very high quality ratcheting screwdriver. Not a very fine tooth screwdriver. But we're talking about billet steel, 4140, stainless, bearings, a lot of high level machine screws in here, very nice brass, just a lot of very quality work done on this. So I really appreciate this. I really do. I turned down their stuff because I thought it looked goofy and gimmicky, and in a way it kind of is. But the other thing is this is like old school technology with class. This is tools with class. In fact, that's exactly what this is. This is above Snap-on, in my opinion. This would be, if I was going to call it something, this would be like I don't want to say Mercedes-Benz, because Mercedes-Benz is clicky and, it's a popularity thing. This is more of a, what am I trying to think of? This is more something prestigious, like a Studebaker. A Studebaker car was underappreciated by some, and the people that did appreciate it, very loyal and very. That's exactly what I would call this. Studebakers, certain things in the world have a following where people absolutely appreciate. Where there's not a lot of speed, but just the craftsmanship that goes into it. Stainless steel handle here. Let's talk about this. This has a nice bearing. This handle rotates. Has this right here, and it's not once again, not a fine tooth ratchet. But listen to that audible click. Very satisfying. It has a lock-in so you can keep it so the head doesn't spin. It's reversible. But we're talking a very heavy-duty stainless steel billet nose in here. Now, even the screws and the tool that comes with it are very, it also has an adapter, so you can do a quick change bit on it. But these are all high-end stuff. There's a magnet down in there to hold on to your bit, and you can turn it into that bit driver, but you can use a handle. You can use your screwdriver like that. They even put a detent ball on the end of this. You can see with the roll pin in there driving in, the detent ball at the top. I mean, this is just a different level of tool. Let's see here. It comes with 2 different tools to service this. Clean and service this. Where is it? There's the bit. There's your bit. You can just keep it as a simple screwdriver for your Phillips or your flathead. But man, and this tool has weight to it. It's very dense. Just an awesome tool, and I very much appreciate this. These are very cool tools, so I encourage you to check them out. If you are a true tool collector and you want a conversation piece or something that's just, this is something that is lay out on the counter. This is almost a tool. This would be a collector tool, I would absolutely say. This is definitely something I would say it's collectible, because these people make some very interesting tools as far as them being satisfying, almost stress relieving. Just to sit here, I find myself playing with it as much like a fidget spinner for an adult almost, because you can sit here and do so many things and turn it back and forth. And the handle, I mean, you really can get some leverage on this. And this tool isn't going to break. You're not going to break this tool ever. I mean, look at the teeth on this are so stout that there's not a chance you're going to ever put enough leverage on it to break it. This is an indestructible tool. So, and that's not a challenge, okay? But anyways, guys, remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Check out Metmo. I'll leave a link for them in the description. If you're interested in that kind of stuff, this is for you. Appreciate you watching.